aloe vera gel. I mean it with my avocado oil. This avocado oil is for hair, face and body. You can apply it. Can you see the glue? It's late. I don't want to like switch on the lights. I don't want to switch on the lights. I'm just trying to keep quiet. Don't talk before they sleep. So if you have question concerning skin, let me know, okay? If you have any question concerning skin, let me know. I'm here to answer you. Let me know. Then this one I'm applying it on my body. Applying it on my body. Let me apply it on my leg. These lights don't make noise. Let me know where you are watching me from. And don't forget to give me likes, okay? Like this video and share it up. Like, go through my videos and watch. Let me apply this. My lips are dry. My lips are dry. Can you see the glow? Can you see how my face is glowing? Natural, glowing, natural beauty. No bleaching. No bleaching. Don't bleach. Bleaching is not good. When you bleach. So this is my cream. This is my cream. This is my cream. Okay. Don't bleach your skin. If you bleach your skin, you are risking your health. So don't bleach your skin, okay? Go and get natural products. Okay? Don't bleach your skin. Everybody is sleeping in this house. If you have any skin concern, any skin issue, just stay tuned in this channel. I'll be dropping more videos. I'll be dropping more videos for you to check out, okay? So let me know where you are watching me from now. And give me likes, please and please. Like this video, please. Like, just give me that thumbs. Tap on your screen, just on your screen. Pam 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 pam. It's your screen. This is your screen. Pam 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 pam. Buy this. It's very very good. Aloe vera gel. If you don't have this, you can use the aloe vera plants. You apply it on your face. Allow it to dry. You can wash it off. You can leave it on your skin, and then you follow up with the remaining routine, okay? So this product is Love Nature. Thank you so much for the likes. I appreciate. Namaste. 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 Thank you so much. So this product is Love Nature. Love is from Oriflame. This product is from Oriflame, and the range is from Love Nature, and this is a nourishing body cream, okay, with organic cacao butter and coconut oil. Okay, can you hear me? If you can hear me, let me know, please. Let me know if you can hear me. Write it in the comment section. Or is the comment section turned off? Welcome. Is the comment section turned off? Please let me know.